This narrative explores the top 5 greatest empires that shaped the world, beginning with the formidable Roman Empire, known for its engineering marvels and enduring influence on law and governance. Next in line is the Mongol Empire, renowned for its rapid expansion under Genghis Khan, which connected vast territories through trade and cultural exchange. Following that, we delve into the Spanish Empire, which marked its dominance through exploration and colonization, leaving a lasting impact on the Americas and beyond. Finally, we explore the Persian Empire, renowned for its administrative innovations and cultural achievements, which set the stage for future civilizations. Last but not least, we cannot overlook the Inca Empire, famous for its architectural marvels and sophisticated agricultural techniques high in the Andes. Another empire that left an indelible mark on history is the Mali Empire, celebrated for its wealth and centers of learning, which attracted scholars from around the world. We can't forget the ancient Greek Empire, influential in philosophy, democracy, and arts, which profoundly shaped Western civilization. We also acknowledge the influence of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, known for its cultural diversity and contributions to music, art, and politics throughout Europe.